Presenting a pre-owned 2007 BMW. This two-door coupe has a 6-cylinder, 3-liter i6 engine, with rear-wheel drive, and a 6-speed manual transmission. This BMW has less than 85,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 20 miles per gallon in the city, and 29 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee. Ask to see the free CARFAX vehicle history report. Key features include automatic climate control, cruise control, power steering, anti-lock brakes, stability control, traction control, MP3 player, CD player, power windows, sunroof, power sunroof.